How to download video to device in WhatsApp Wave. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to download video to device in WhatsApp Web. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open WhatsApp on your PC and make sure you are signed in. Once you have opened WhatsApp, go ahead and open the conversation from where you want to download the video from, and further go ahead and tap on the video that you want to download. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, you will see the download button on the top of your screen. Tap on that, and with this, the video downloading process will begin on your device. Wait for the download to complete. You can also change the download location if you want. Mine is set to download, so I will go ahead and open the downloads tab, and you can see the video has been downloaded successfully. So this is how you can download video to device in WhatsApp Web. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and to subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.